Now there's a better way to glue virtually anything. It's cleaner, healthier, provides consistent quality, remains flexible, reduces cost, requires zero cure time, and can bond virtually anything from wood and metal to paper, foam, and cork. It's the HMT's Advantage Laminating System that uses hot melt adhesive film. You simply place the film over the substrate, load your laminate material, and let the machine do the work. Infrared heat melts the adhesive moments before bonding your laminate and substrate. The rollers apply an even pressure, providing a reliable and strong bond. You'll be able to handle, cut, drill, and even fabricate the laminate immediately. There is zero cure time required. The Advantage Laminator lets you laminate almost anything up to 10 times faster with up to 50% less cost, letting you put more money in your pocket. Send us your samples and let us run your material through the Advantage Laminating System. You'll be able to inspect the bond quality, feel the finished product, and see for yourself why HMT's Advantage Laminating System could be the smartest investment you'll ever make. To request your sample today, call us at 1-800-433-0730 or send us an email at sales@hmtmfg.com.